Hello and welcome to Season 1, Episode 10 of
Let's open it up and see what we get. Crack the pack and hope for the best.
And we stick to the order. 10th episode, Whispers in the Well. We start off the pack with Basil, Dragonfire, Chomp, Gurgi, Genie, Begun, Flintheart Glomgold, Jasmine, Goliath, and Castle. And Castle of the Honored King as our first rare. And let's go super rare, Hans. And whoa, a foil legendary, the Black Cauldron. Look at that, such a beauty. And with all 12 cards being new, we bring our collection up to 44 cards, or roughly 22%. I consider this a really good pack, what do you think? So let's put the cards in the binder.
Story untold with a magical link. Let the secrets
As always, if you enjoyed today's episode, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks and see you in the next one.